Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Trends Tech. And today I'm going to show you guys how to use the spatial video feature that is now dropped from iOS 17.2 on the iPhone 15 Pro Max and on the iPhone 15 Pro. So the first thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go into settings. And when you go into settings, you can just type in camera, type that in. And we're going to go to camera right here. And then all you have to do is go down to formats. And if you scroll down, if you already don't have this toggle turned on, turn on the toggle for spatial video for Apple Vision Pro. Once again, you got to have the latest update, iOS 17.2. And this is only for the iPhone 15 Pro and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So if we go back out of our settings, and we go into our camera, as you guys can kind of see here, when I switch to video, if you look down in the bottom left corner, you should see a little toggle that looks like the Vision Pro symbol. All right, so what I went ahead and did was I went ahead and just turned my phone into landscape. That way you guys can still see the recording of my screen. Right now, I'm in the video part for the video recording. If you go ahead and click on the Vision Pro symbol, it will switch over. And then now you have the spatial video recording option. Now, a couple things to know here. If you press HD, it will not change. It is going to be at 1080p. And if you press the 30 frames per second, as if you were trying to change it to 60 frames per second, it will not change. Also, you will get a little indicator on here that says move farther away. And it's because you're using the wide angle camera and the normal lens, not the telephoto one. So the focus is going to be pretty much distance limited. So you're not going to be able to get up really close on stuff. So you're going to have some space in between you and somebody else for the whole effect to happen. So if we go ahead and let's say we aim this at my camera, the other thing that we're getting here is saying that more light is recommended. So this is very similar to how, let's say, action mode works. This is something that's going to require a lot of light. So make sure you have a lot of light, make sure you have some space, and we're just going to test this out. We're going to hit record, and pretty much from here, it's just recording. And this is the spatial video using both of these lenses to record this. Now, as you can see, you will not be able to zoom in or zoom out. It is pretty much locked in place. Also, another thing you'll notice is that you cannot pause this like you can with a regular iPhone recording video. So anything that you record, you're going to have to hit record, let it record, and that's pretty much it. You can't pause it and resume it. It's just got to go from pretty much from here. Now, if we go ahead and stop the recording here, also had to mention that you can't take, snapshots like you can with a regular video. So now that we're in our Photos app, as you guys can see, here's the spatial video here. And if we go to click edit on there, as you can see, all you can do is trim it. That's the only thing you can do to it. You can't add on any filters. You can't do anything else extra with it. All you can do is just adjust the length, and that's about it. So if we go ahead and let's say we hit cancel, let's go ahead and swipe up. That way we can see some more information here. We can see the date and the time that it was recorded, that it was on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, that it was recorded in the HEVC format, main camera at f1.78, also 1080p. We got 144 megabytes because we really didn't record that long. But once again, you're not going to get this in 4K. You're going to get this in 1080p at 30 frames per second. So this will also have location data on here. So if you're going to send this to somebody and you don't want the location data on there, make sure you go into the settings and you actually disable the location tagging on the camera as far as like the app and everything else goes. So Same thing applies with just like regular pictures. If you're going to be sending this off to anyone else, you know, you don't want your location directly tagged in there, make sure you turn it off. But so far, without really testing it that much outside, that's how you use it. It's pretty straightforward. It's you know, just record and let it happen, and that's basically how you do it. So, all right, you guys, see you in the next video. Y'all take it easy. Peace.